Hi there, it's Janet and Gareth from the Port Monkeys, and we are right now in Ensenada, Mexico. We just got off the Grand Princess, and we're just going to walk into town. There is a shuttle, the round trip is $4 US. So you could pay the $4, they take you right to the main street, but it's only a mile. And they don't take you along the Malecon. You know, the oceanfront walk. And there's the beautiful Grand Princess. So we're coming to another terminal. Ships can dock right here, right there, and right here. And sometimes when we come here, there is a ship here. I think we've always been on the ship that docks there, though. And I guess they're not expecting anybody today because they've got it blocked off. This is still the other terminal, and there are free restrooms there. And they're open. And then you would come to the giant Ensenada letters. And everyone's waiting their turn to take their picture with the giant Ensenada letters, or to be a seal. Art, 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 art.
Put your head down a little bit. Back down.
I think we'll stop by here on the way back. Picture spot.
Okay, good.
Just a minute. Oh. Oh! Grand Princess. Here's the bridge. So, right here is where you make a choice. You either cross the bridge and walk along the waterfront, which is what we're going to do, or you go straight up into town. What? But you can also go straight up into town. So we're on the bridge. Of course, downtown is right there. You can see it's a nice wide path, and it goes up kind of to the end of the main street, which is where we're going to go, and then we're going to walk back and come back this way. You can also turn and go that way, you see? They've got security there. Port of Ensenada stands out. In recent years, the Port of Ensenada has lived a dynamic growth. Puerto de Ensenada. Then you get to this little park, and I think it's like always closed. Giant Ensenada sign. I tripped. Look, a giant anchor. Anglatipo. I can't read that, but look at that chain. Oh, it's welded in. And then look at this. I guess they're getting a retouch job on that boat. By the way, we've walked a little over half a mile from the ship. A little over half a mile. Got a seagull standoff with pigeons. Stay on the red. Stay on the red. Uh-oh. There's no red.
Coming into the little vendors.
So here's the stores, and I think this is the fish market. Pescado Negro or something like that. Not sure if there's a sign. Maybe it's up there a little bit. Dinosaurs. Skulls. Ice cream. Snacks. Soft serve. Of course, it's free on the ship, right? More people trying to sell tours and a little music. These people will be open later or something. I don't know why they'd be closed when a cruise ship's in. Look at all the customers. But I'm not them.
They are watching.
And it's not Sunday or anything, it's Wednesday? Mersco 646.
For morning, in the restaurant we have coconut shrimp, fillet, fresh fish, 72. Okay, wait for you right here. My name is 646. My name is Alan. Don't forget my ugly face. Happy wife, happy life, sir. Hey, see me free drinks, lemon margarita, michelada, piña colada. Can make tortillas in the fridge.
We call that the gauntlet.
Thank you.
My word discount right here. Don't forget.
Okay. Okay, Alan.
This is for 6 of me.
Hola, hola.
Hi.
Hi. You're welcome. You ready for breakfast? No. Oh, you already eat? Yeah, well, for your lunch, and you guys totally welcome. We get seafood, chicken, meat, and steak. So we cook you all.
So a lot of restaurants along here and a lot of shilling for the restaurants.
Lunch, $10 a person.
And a canal. Watch out. Out to the ocean. And Del Curio's.
I think this is the one.
There we go. Mercado Negro, black market. So this ends right up there. We're gonna take a little trip into the black market. Go.
Lots of vendors.
Oh, I wish you could smell this.
Bathrooms.
Oh, there's bathrooms. I'm not saying those are free. This is the fish market.
Here's the fish market.
Oh, of course, maybe they should call it the shrimp market, huh? Oh, wow, look at that. Clams. Oysters. Squid.
This list is clams,
Smoked
and shrimp,
tuna
squid.
and marlin. The floor here is very slippery, so be careful. Hola.
Morning.
Now there's a whole group of people down here. Oh, there's schools of fish. And a bucket of ice. Oh, they're buying some. And restaurants. And places to drink and eat. So the fish market was there, the black market was there, and we came back out and we're going to go to the end of the Malecon. And I see a heart. Lots of tours. So here it is, and I believe that is concrete and metal. And they look like they're doing some serious fishing, or caught some serious fish.
Some serious diving.
Yeah. Let's go up the spiral staircase.
Up we go.
Dude. You got a pencil. Oh, she's looking at the cruise ship, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna head up into town. There's the little lighthouse. And there's the seagull. And here's a guy wrestling with a fish that's as big as him.